So welcome back. We are in the physics part, especially for people who are appearing IIT mains and NEET students also. When we observe the physics topics, each topic is interrelated. In this one we will see both the combination of laws of motion and one-dimensional motion. Let us see a problem in this one. A particle is traveling from point P to Q. It starts with 20 meter per second initial velocity and gains 40 meter per second when reached to Q. The question is, we have to find out the velocity at the midpoint. So to solve the problem, generally students appearing having background of biology, they feel difficulty in solving the problems, but the situation is you have to take a diagram. So let us take point P, point Q, initial velocity U, final velocity V, midpoint M, exactly middle. So let us suppose the total distance is x. From P to midpoint is x1, it is x2, but it is half of the total distance. So how to solve the problem? We will see. The velocity at the midpoint is required. We can calculate the velocity at any point on the journey path. Here, let us suppose at midpoint, the velocity is assume that Vm. So at point P, use the formula P, y square minus u square equal to s. Substitute the values. Take it as equation 1. At point Q, substitute the values. We got the second equation. Simplifying, we are getting the equation Vm square equal to 1000 under root. Suppose in the examination, instead of 20 meter per second, the velocity is V1. Instead of 40 meter per second, velocity V2. What about the velocity at point M or midpoint? For that purpose, we can take direct formula. If u equal to V1, if final velocity is V2, then the velocity at midpoint can be calculated by taking the sum of the squares of the individual velocities by 2, or average of the squares of the velocities, and take its root. So this helps you to calculate directly by V1 means if it is 20 square plus 40 square, 400 plus 1600, 2000 by 2. It gives the square root of 1000. So try it. This equation helps you to find the velocity of a particle exactly in the midpoint. So this is very useful problem. So to get all the videos, please try to subscribe. When you subscribe, you can watch all the videos. So our main aim is to give you the subject at easy and you can understand easily. So thank you.